Hey, hello, good morning, good day, good night to Star Wars fans all over the world. Let's watch TVC review only in Beno Arsanto's channel. Today, I'm going to show you the newest release of TVC from the Mandalorian movie series, and this is the another wave that we are waiting for because we are getting two human with two artists celebrity face, and the first one is the Koska Reeves and the second one is Migs Mayfeld. As we all know, Migs Mayfeld was a human male mercenary and he was a former sharpshooter for the Imperial Army, and he was the bad guy in the first season of the Mandalorian, and in the second season, he became a hero, the friend of Din Djarin's, because of his involvement in the mission that the Djarin later sought him out of for assistance in tracking down the Moff Gideon's ship. And in the that mission took them to Imperial Remnant Refinery. Yeah, I believe it was on Murah, and while they are there, the Mayfeld killed his former superior cold-handedly and caused heavy damage for that place as well. And back to the first one, she was a human female Mandalorian, and she was a member of the Night Owls, because several years after the Great Purge, Reeves was on the moon of Trash, and she helped steal Imperial class cruiser alongside the Bo-Katan cruise, and also X-Wolves, which will be released soon later after this figure. And later she and Chris joined Djarin on a mission to rescue the Grogu and claim the cruiser for the Night Owl. And let's see this review only on Beno Arsanto's channel. And for the box, this is still the same single carded figures where you can see the portrait of the characters on the right side of the board, and you see the open blister on the left side, and you see the figure here, the title for the Mandalorian, the name of the character, and on the back you will see the previous wave release of this TVC, and we just missing the X-Wolves, which will be released soon after, and we will review I will review him for you. Let's open it, and we are unboxing these two badass character now, and this one right out of the blister, and another one of Koska Reeves. Just she's beauty, really beauty. Sasha Banks, the WWE star. I believe most girls on the Mandalorian was someone who practiced self-defense and a former wrestler. And for the accessories, we are getting a jetpack for the Koska Reeves, a blaster pistol, alternative head, and for the Mayfeld, we are getting a helmet. It's not alternative head, yes, it's a helmet because we can plug it in directly on his bald head. In terms of the material, I believe in TVC we always getting the soft plastic, the material is kind of rubber, but actually it's plastic that as soft as rubber, and in some part it's made from the rubber. I think this one is made from the something that rubbery material for the helmet, while on the helmet of Koska Reeves it's a solid plastic. Most of the part of the Koska Reeves is soft plastic, and the rubber part is on her hostler, and even the jetpack is hard plastic, and I think the only rubber part is on the hostler, while on the Mayfeld the only rubbery part is on his skirt, and even this chest plate is made from the solid hard plastic. In terms of paint, I believe we all are satisfied with the painting job on the figure of TVC, and the same goes to this two badass figure, because we are getting high quality photo printed face material. Let's see through the light. This one you will getting a better view, and then this very represent the celebrity, the actress, and also the Mayfeld, the photorealistic technology made it exactly like who he is in the real world. And on the shoulder of Koska Reeves we are getting printed, this is not a decal, I think this is a printed emblem, and some of battle damage torn, and that's also printed here. It's a kind of silver color, and there is some wash over here, it also printed, and this one is kind of paint. And what else? This is quite good figure, and the scene part of this figure is getting the same printed treatment for the wash effect. For the articulation, they get the newest TVC treatment for the articulation, because they are getting the double ball jointed head and neck, and ball jointed shoulder, ball jointed arms, ball jointed wrist, ball jointed torso, and unfortunately there is no swivel hips, but there is the ball jointed G.I. Joe style. Oh no, this ain't no G.I. Joe. I think this used the mold from the old Sheriff Trooper, so there's no G.I. Joe ball jointed, so there is the old ball joint style, and the swivel tight, the ball jointed knees, ball jointed ankle, not rocker ankle, because he shared the same molding from the Shore Trooper, previous Shore or Sheriff Trooper, while I believe this one share the same. Is it share same mold with the Bo-Katan? We will see it in the later segment, and this one also with the double ball jointed head and ball jointed shoulder, ball jointed arms, ball jointed wrist, ball jointed torso, no swivel hips, and ball jointed G.I. Joe style for the tight, swivel tight, ball jointed knees, and not ball jointed, but the newest rocker ankle style. That's good for this figure. And now let's see for the comparison of size. They are actually the same exact molding, the same exact figure of Bo-Katan. So Koska Reeves is actually Bo-Katan with a different head and different hostler, and also different paint job. You can see, if I turn this around, you will see all of the similarities and the differences. The differences only in terms of painting and the head. They are actually the same figure, so they are in the same size and same head. On the contrary, this actually reuse of short trooper figure is standing feet to head with the counterpart, the friends of this Mayfeld, the Mandalorian. I forgot to mention that this Mayfeld is getting his blaster from my previous accessorization. Actually, he's getting his blaster. I'm just realized while I'm looking at his hostler, and if we can put the weapon in here, yes we can. We can put his blaster on his hostler, and let's see whether we can swap the head of Din Djarin into this figure. So we can make the Din Djarin as well. Quite good. This is how we swap the head of Din Djarin. This could be as the Din Djarin as well in this guys. But he couldn't have put the helmet on because he has a hair. For the conclusions, they all are both good looking figures, a solid figure with just a repaint from the old molding, the Sword Trooper molding and the Bo-Katan molding. But they come with a great likeness of the face of the actress and the actor. So then this is their first debut on this TVC size. So we are so happy to getting them. So I hope you will get them in your collection shelf as well. Okay, thank you for watching. May the force be with you. This is Doi and bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.